Do you find yourself constantly battling sugar cravings, trapped in a cycle of energy spikes and crashes? Imagine a month where you break free from sugar's grip. Have you ever truly wondered what your body and mind would experience if you said a firm no to added sugars for 30 days? The pervasive presence of sugar in our modern diet is undeniable, often hidden in foods we perceive as healthy. But its impact on our health, from energy levels and mood to chronic disease risk, is profound. This isn't just about weight loss, it's about reclaiming control over your biology and experiencing a profound shift in your well-being. We're about to explore, with absolute scientific authenticity, the remarkable physiological and psychological transformations that unfold when you eliminate added sugar from your diet for just 30 days. Prepare to uncover the surprising withdrawal symptoms, the profound health benefits, and the lasting changes that could reset your palate and revolutionize your relationship with food. The payoff? Sustainable energy, clearer skin, a sharper mind, and a fundamentally healthier you. The 30-Day Sugar Reset. A journey to reclaiming your health. Embarking on a 30-day no-sugar challenge is more than just a diet. It's an immersive experiment in self-awareness and physiological recalibration. When we talk about eliminating sugar, we're primarily referring to added sugars, the sugars deliberately put into foods and drinks during processing, cooking, or at the table. This includes obvious culprits like table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and cane sugar, but also hidden forms like dextrose, maltose, corn syrup solids, and natural-sounding alternatives like agave nectar and honey when consumed in excess. We're generally not talking about naturally occurring sugars found in whole fruits and plain dairy, as these come packaged with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that mitigate their impact. The initial days of a sugar detox can be surprisingly challenging, echoing the withdrawal symptoms associated with other addictive substances. This isn't hyperbole. Research indicates that sugar can activate the brain's reward pathways, including dopamine, similar to how certain drugs do. When you suddenly remove this constant stimulation, your brain goes through an adjustment period. The most common early symptom is the infamous sugar withdrawal headache. This can range from a dull ache to a throbbing migraine, often starting within 24-48 hours of sugar cessation. The scientific explanation is multifaceted. Sugar influences blood flow and neurotransmitter balance. When its constant presence is removed, the sudden shift can temporarily disrupt these systems, leading to cranial discomfort. For many, this is compounded if they also cut out caffeine-containing sugary drinks, leading to a dual withdrawal. Alongside headaches, a profound sense of fatigue and brain fog is almost universal. Your body, accustomed to rapid glucose spikes for energy, suddenly finds itself relying on more stable, slower-release energy from fats and complex carbohydrates. This transition takes time, and during it, concentration can wane, and you might feel a pervasive mental sluggishness. This is your brain adapting to a new, healthier fuel source. Beyond physical discomfort, mood disturbances are a significant hurdle in the first week. Irritability, anxiety, restlessness, and even feelings of sadness or depression can surface. Sugar's ability to temporarily boost mood, by impacting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, means its absence can lead to a rebound effect. Cravings for sugary foods will be intense, often described as an almost obsessive urge. This is your body's conditioned response, screaming for the familiar, easily accessible energy and pleasure it's used to. The intelligent twist here is understanding that these symptoms are not a sign of weakness, but evidence of sugar's powerful impact on your brain chemistry. As you push through the first few days, typically by day 3-7, the acute withdrawal symptoms usually begin to subside. The headaches lessen, the intense cravings become less frequent, though they might still appear, and the fog starts to lift. This is where the long-term payoffs begin to emerge, and they are truly transformative. One of the earliest and most noticeable changes is stabilized energy levels. No more dramatic sugar highs followed by debilitating crashes. Your body learns to efficiently utilize fats and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, leading to a more even keel throughout the day. You'll likely find yourself less reliant on external stimulants like coffee to power through the afternoon slump. This newfound consistency in energy is a direct result of your blood sugar levels becoming more balanced, avoiding the rapid insulin spikes and subsequent drops. Next, Prepare for remarkable improvements in your skin health. Chronic high sugar intake is linked to increased inflammation throughout the body and can contribute to conditions like acne, premature aging, and rosacea. Sugar promotes the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which damage collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin elasticity and youthful appearance. By eliminating sugar, you reduce systemic inflammation, allow your skin to heal, and potentially slow down the aging process. Many individuals report clearer, more radiant skin and a reduction in breakouts. The payoff here isn't just aesthetic, it's a visible sign of reduced internal inflammation. Your gut health also undergoes a significant positive shift. An excessive sugar diet can feed harmful bacteria and yeasts in the gut, disrupting the delicate balance of your microbiome. This dysbiosis can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and irregular bowel movements. When you remove sugar, beneficial gut bacteria thrive, leading to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a healthier gut environment. A healthy gut is also intricately linked to immune function and even mood, so this shift has far-reaching benefits. The twist here is that changing your diet literally changes the ecosystem within you, with profound consequences. Perhaps one of the most profound long-term changes is the resetting of your palate. Initially, naturally sweet foods like fruits might not seem sweet enough. But as your taste buds adapt and your reliance on intense sweetness diminishes, you'll find that fruits, vegetables, and even savory dishes take on new, subtle flavors you previously couldn't detect. The natural sweetness of an apple becomes incredibly satisfying, and the nuanced flavors of whole foods truly shine. This shift makes it easier to maintain a lower sugar diet in the long run, as your cravings for highly processed, sugary items diminish naturally. This is the ultimate payoff, true freedom from sugar's addictive hold. On a deeper physiological level, eliminating sugar for 30 days can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. When you constantly flood your system with sugar, your cells become less responsive to insulin, requiring more and more of the hormone to move glucose from the blood into cells. This can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes and a driver of fat storage, particularly around the belly. A month without added sugar allows your cells to regain their sensitivity to insulin, improving metabolic health and making fat loss, especially abdominal fat, more achievable. For many, this can lead to a noticeable reduction in belly fat and a more stable metabolism. Beyond these tangible benefits, many people report an improvement in mental clarity and focus that extends far beyond the initial brain fog phase. Without the roller coaster of blood sugar fluctuations, your brain receives a consistent supply of energy, leading to better cognitive function, sustained attention, and reduced mental fatigue. You might also notice a more stable mood, with fewer emotional swings and a greater sense of calm and well-being, as your brain's natural neurochemistry rebalances. The 30-day mark is not an endpoint but a powerful springboard. It's enough time for your body to move through the acute withdrawal phase, for your palate to reset, and for significant physiological benefits to become apparent. It empowers you with the knowledge that you can live without constant sugar, that your body functions better without it, and that real, wholesome food is genuinely satisfying. This experience provides the confidence and momentum to continue making healthier choices, even if you reintroduce small amounts of natural sugars selectively. The challenge lies in vigilance. Sugar hides everywhere. In bread, sauces, cereals, canned soups, condiments, and even seemingly savory items. Reading food labels meticulously becomes a critical skill. Look for ingredients ending in O's, glucose, fructose, sucrose, maltose, syrups, corn syrup, rice syrup, maple syrup, and anything with nectar. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods cooked from scratch is the simplest way to control your sugar intake. Are you ready to break free from the sugar cycle and experience these profound shifts? The next 30 days could be the most transformative journey for your health. Start today by stocking your pantry with whole foods and committing to reading every label. The sweetest life isn't found in a sugar packet, it's found in the vibrant health you build, one conscious choice at a time.